So this is a low-wing, looks like retractable gear, I think. Looking in my viewfinder is never a simple thing to do. It's not retractable gear. Low wing trainer, fixed gear. I've seen that guy a number of times. There's another plane coming right now. I think it's coming right now. It's a jet. And I thought he was coming right now, but he stopped. So I know he's talking to Philadelphia. There he goes. There he goes. Okay, so we are going to get him. Let's see if he can maintain the bearing of the runway as he takes off. Not a huge jet. I say a medium-sized private jet. Pretty good wind out of the northwest today. Eight to 9 knots. It's about 50 degrees Fahrenheit. October 13th, 2023 on a Friday. It's a little bit after 10 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. And this guy's lining up. He's lined up and ready to go. And I see the black smoke coming out from behind the aircraft, so he's rolling. Let's see how long it takes me to get up, to get off the ground. It's a pretty good headwind. Alright, that's the halfway point right there. Rotate. That was a late rotation. Maybe it's bigger than I thought it was. A lot of power. Actually, that's a bigger one than I thought. It's swept wings up in the front, meaning it's built for distance. And he used 3/4 of the runway to get off the ground. Turn to the south, and it shows that beautiful paint job glistening in the sun. That's close to freedom. You know, it's freedom in a sense of distance. You know, where you start in southeastern Pennsylvania, you can end up in Alaska. You know, if the range is 5,000 nautical miles, I think that's about right to Alaska, I believe, from here. But he's going south, and it's a cold wind blowing right now. So maybe they're just going to Hilton Head to play some golf, and they'll be back later in the day. You know, but he's flying directly into Philadelphia airspace. So you do need permission to do that. Well, he's got the permission. Bon voyage, man. Long may you fly.